Hello everyone. In today's tutorial, we will show how to do basic image editing in WordPress. This is a simple way to improve images directly from the website dashboard without needing extra software. Let's get started. On the WordPress homepage, if we want to edit an image, we just need to go to the media section on the left side of the dashboard. It is easy to spot in the middle left area. Once here, we need to click on the library. This is where we will see all our images. From here, we can click on any image we want to edit. We will see the image along with its alternative text, title, caption, description, and URL. To start editing, we just need to click on Edit Image at the lower part of the image. Here, we can crop the image. We can set the aspect ratio, choose a selection, and set starting coordinates. We can adjust these settings depending on the size we need. We can also crop by dragging the corners and repositioning the selection. We can stretch the image too, depending on our preference. Next to crop is the scale option. Scale lets us set the exact dimensions of the image. The original dimension is 736. We can also rotate the image. Rotating the image is simple. If we do not like the result, we just need to click Undo, and it will go back to the original. Once we are happy with the changes, we just need to click Save Edits. After editing, we can insert the image into any page, post, or project on our website. That is how we do basic image editing in WordPress. With these simple tools, we can improve our website images quickly and easily.